scientific evidence, as we know, globally, we're not just looking at Kenya, we're talking about the world of somebody being prayed for and they've been cured of a certain cancer or being cured of, let's say, HIV, because it's easy to test HIV with web tests to check your viral load. Now, the problem is that religion has become a place where there are too many charlatans. There is just too much magic and fraud that is going on to the point where we are seeing documentaries of people falsifying results just so you can.
Been working in software for 25 years, focused in traditional finance and cryptocurrency. I'm a software engineering expert. Got the job from your core. In the past, I've interviewed a lot at both traditional finance firms and at big tech companies. There's a lot of back and forth. With your core, it's very different. Dealing with an AI agent, which asks you questions about my background, or do you want to compare name, look like,
When you go in the church and have praise and worship, there's a lot of adrenaline. And when you have this adrenaline, you get this sense of euphoria. And when you move in that state, when you're having maybe pain, you probably have arthritis. Temporarily, what happens is because you're in this euphoric state, adrenaline goes up, something happens in your body, the hormones, and the pain does go down temporarily. So you have this sense of belief that, oh, I have been cured. It's the Holy Spirit or whatever it is that you believe in that has actually cured you. And the risk with that is now once you feel that and you say, no, I've gone to church today and I felt much better and I've been cured, you stop taking your medication. And when you stop taking things like your anti-TB medication or your antiretroviral drugs, what happens is that scientifically your viral load is going to come up. Your TB is now going to start getting back. If you were cancer and you are remission free, now you stop taking or doing the right thing you're doing, whether it was chemotherapy, you stop going for that, then the cancer now gets back and it gets more aggressive. So it's absolutely dangerous. Medically speaking, what should somebody do to actually confirm that they are truly cured of these diseases? So number one, we need to know medically, does this person have this disease? Because this is the other thing also that some of these groups and some of these proclaimed prophets are using, where somebody is not actually HIV positive. For example, I'm not using HIV a lot because that's what has been used. Yeah. You've never been HIV positive. So of course, if you claim you were once HIV positive and you go and get tested, the result is going to show negative. And if you've lied about your HIV status, then it's going to look true. Yeah. So the only way you can do it is by doing proper diagnostic, the gold standard of diagnostic for HIV, by doing a PCR, a viral load, because those would never lie. If you have TB, you go for the PCR test for TB, and go through that and see what is changing. And if you have withdrawn from, let's say, for example, HIV treatment, and you say you've been cured, you come back and we test the viral load. If the viral load is close to zero, then we can say yes, you're cured. But how do you know that the person was not taking the antiretroviral medications? And that's why it's very important about these so-called claims, because these things have to be done in a medically controlled setting for us to conduct studies, make sure that everything is up to par. And so far, globally, there is no miraculous leader. We have many prophets, we have many religious faiths and deities, and nobody has come through and convinced the scientific groups that this is actually possible. I think the concerns that many across the country, you and your colleagues have around some of these religious leaders speaking issues around miraculous cures. The religious action is very important. In fact, a lot of the public health measures and announcements can't happen without religious, different religious leaders, because they play an integral role in how they reach out to the population. Because a mass of us we are a religious nation, whether you're Christian, Muslim, Indian, they play a very, very significant role. However, it's very, very important to note that we must work together and understand that when it is evidence-based, and also call out what is.
If I have a cold, my voice has gone. It's called the rolling fondant. My name is
Luxury Limited. Elevate your index profile at 388 per meter, brick tile at 401, and roman tile at 500. Enjoy free delivery countrywide. Call us now from 0722 638383.
Hi everyone, I'm Legend Atiza, a research specialist by profession and a proud beneficiary of the Cooperative Bank Foundation. Thanks to the scholarship from the Cooperative Bank Foundation, I moved on to Alliance Girls High School and then the University of Nairobi. My role as a research specialist at PressFund entails building strategic media lists that involve journalists and their contacts, content optimization via SEO. There's also email outreach on international platforms. There's a startup in South Africa. We were able to get them investors, and the recognition currently is very much international. The project has helped some of the Kenyan startups right now. They're using that startup to build their own. Let's invest in education and support our communities. Together, we can create a brighter future.
Kila mmoja anafaa kusikizwa, lakini zaidi mke asikizwe zaidi.
You know that I love your mom, right? I'm going to try to win her back. Business news brought to you by Safaricom Business. Viva la Mesa, experience the glorious. Get Safaricom Business today and power your progress.
Welcome back. Let's talk business. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Moses Kagwe has secured a commitment from Zambia to supply up to 1 million bags of maize to cushion Kenya against worsening drought conditions. The deal was reached during talks with Zambia's Agriculture Minister Ruben Mtolo on the sidelines of the 49th Governing Council of the International Fund for Agricultural Development in Italy. The government estimates 3.3 million Kenyans face acute food insecurity, and now projected to rise to 3.6 million by June this year. Imports from Zambia would not require duty-free consignment, as both countries are members of the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa. An initial 250,000 bags could be cleared first to stabilize supply while authorities monitor the situation. Over the past few months, some of the country's biggest lenders have announced sweeping executive changes, boardroom reshuffles, and high-profile hires from fintech, rival banks, and even government. The moves point to recalibrating the sector, balancing digital disruption, regional expansion, and stronger governance. Here now is Jasmine Ongoy with that report. At Absa Bank Kenya, Fitoyo Lopokoyit, former M-Pesa Africa Managing Director, has been appointed Chief Executive for Personal and Private Banking. The appointment tells of a deliberate pivot towards digital-first banking, bringing fintech expertise into a traditional banking structure. Absa has also reorganized several senior roles, including hiring Renato D'Souza from rival Stanbic. At the same time, Stanbic Holdings has announced the appointment of Joshua Igara as its new CEO, effective March 1st. Igara succeeds Patrick Wohere, who retires at the end of February after leading the institution since 2020. Igara currently serves as Standard Bank's regional chief for East Africa. At mid-tier lender Commercial International Bank Kenya, Tara Smithiga has been named CEO effective February, subject to regulatory approvals in Kenya and Egypt. Smithiga joins from
I know you're all
NCBA
wondering what will happen here.
for corporate and investment banking. His appointment
This is where we'll have our other deco. It will cover this entire line all the way. It will look like a strap that will be now used. The strap is used as a decoration for the gourd, and also the strap is also like our sling carrier for the gourd.
Kenya named Rebecca Bibi as its new managing director. She's succeeds Josephine Annan Nkoma, who stepped down to focus on individual responsibilities within the EcoBank
Let's
group.
now go to our strap.
Central, Eastern, and Southern
The
Africa.
strap has to be a little bit
Citizen
darker than the guard color.
Kenya has announced the launch of 2 interconnected digital trade platforms designed to empower African embassies to boost trade and investment. The platforms dubbed Biashara Link and Deal House
So you're adding more color?
Yeah, I'm adding more color so that I can make that strap.
Okay.
Kenya is now banking on its tech-savvy population and digital platform to boost the country's trade. Speaking to